Hey, this is Mike with SocialSlides. In this video, I will show you how to set up your SocialSlides account, how to redeem your coupon code if you bought it over at Zumo, and how to use the templates. So let's get started. I'm currently on the SocialSlides website, and as you can see here, if we scroll down a bit, we have our packages here. And if you get the Zumo lifetime deal, you will be redirected to our partner SocialSlides is listed at App Store, and here you can click Buy Now. If you bought everything and went through the process of the checkout, you will find it in your products, and how you can access it is over this icon here and then products. And here, if you look closely, you can now see SocialSlides, social media templates for PowerPoint and Canva, and you can click on Actions. And on Actions, you can select Redeem. And if you press that, you will be redirected to this page and get a coupon code. And this coupon code we now want to redeem. So what we do is we copy it right there and go to product. And now you will be redirected to our checkout page where you can now get the lifetime plan with entering the coupon code. You just have to enter it. By the way, this one is already used, so you cannot use it again. And you can see right now it should say coupon code applied successfully. And now we can go ahead and yeah, go ahead and place the order for $0. And this is basically how you set up your account. Now we can go ahead and check out the selection. For that, we just have to be logged in. In many cases, after the checkout, you are already logged in, and I'm just gonna log in with the account I created. If you don't have a password yet, just press lost password and then reset it over your email. And yeah, this is how the account section looks like, but we just want to go back to the home page. And if I click the icon or the home button, then I will be redirected back. And if I scroll down now, you can see that you have all these nice templates here. And if I press download, they will automatically download right away. So if I want some specific, for example, for music templates, I want fashion templates, I can just click on it and they will automatically download. All the files are PPTX files, so Microsoft PowerPoint files. But don't worry, if you're a Canva user, I will show you later in this video how to use them in Canva as well. Yeah, and that's how you basically get access to these templates. And now we'll take a look at how you can edit the templates. So to show you that, I will take this marketing template here, press download, wait for a few seconds, and now it already downloaded. All the files are very lightweight, so you should be able to also send them via email. And if I click on that, it should open up in PowerPoint directly. And as you can see here now, I have all these slides in a ratio of 1:1, and now I can edit them. So let's say I want to edit a text. Very easy. I just have to go in it, and now I can say for something else, and it will automatically fit to the right section. Everything is aligned already here. Also the same goes with these infographics. I can change the icons if I want to drag and drop something from outside. That's absolutely no problem. I can also change elements within the presentation, which is also important if you want to change the look and the feel of it. And if we now go ahead and take just a look at the picture slide, let's take a look at this. And let's say I want to change this picture right here. So on Pexel right now, we can get all types of business images. And let's say I want something specific right now in here. I will take a shortcut. I will not download them from here or load them from my computer. I will use our extension expert slides. This is a separate tool we also developed. It's also on Zumo if you want to check that out. And if I go on images here, I have all the images that I need directly in PowerPoint, so I don't need to leave PowerPoint. And let's say I want to remove this image. Very easy. Click on it, delete, and you can see the placeholder is already where it should be. And now let's select an image, something like this maybe, and it will automatically, as you can see, fill in. Then if we check out another slide, let's say this mock-up slide, it works exactly the same here. We just have to click in the placeholder, delete the image which was there before, and then we can drag and drop another image in. So this is how it works with PowerPoint. Very straightforward, very simple. Now let's continue with Canva. So here we are in the Canva dashboard, and all we have to do here is to select presentations. This is very important. We should not select any of the other buttons. We should go ahead and click on presentations. And from here we can load in a presentation. All we have to do is drag and drop it directly into this field here. Then we have to press upload, and from here we can select our file, just drag and drop it in here, and then it should load after waiting for updates. Unfortunately, Canva does not give us a direct response. That's why we have to go to projects, and here we can find our template which we just uploaded. So just wait for a few seconds and then go to projects, and you should find it right here. So let's click on it. And from here, we can now edit our template. We would always recommend to work with PowerPoint because all these slides are made in PowerPoint and are best with this tool. And I will just show you a few examples of what you can actually do in here with just a few clicks. You can go to view and change the color of everything. So we have all these slides in here. If I open this up, right now everything is purple, and if we just click on Slide Master under View, we can now change the color settings to whatever we want. So let's say we want something like blue, then with a few green elements. Close Master, and here we go, and we have everything. A different color tone that also adapts to the color gradient, as you can see here, which looks very, very nice in this case. And yeah, we can go ahead, change whatever color we want. For example, this is like very red, not very, yeah, not a lot of gradients or something, which, yeah, you can change it whatever color is needed. And if you want to take a specific corporate identity color, you can go to Customize Color, and you can select your desired color right in here. You can, for example, select it from somewhere else. Let's say I take this blue tone here, and it will, yeah, then adapt to this color. If I press save, we should have some, yeah, blue tones in here as well. So what else can you do with the templates? You can also, yeah, mix the slides and edit the slides however you like. For example, we can remove certain elements. Just make sure to also remove the placeholder. And let's say we only want 2 persons on the slide, and then we can arrange it the way we need. We can also remove, arrange every headlines, every picture elements, and so on, however we need it. Also the red line which PowerPoint provides is also a big help always in this case. And yeah, you can also edit these infographics. So if you go on here, you can actually remove different elements. Let's say you only need for, and then you have them right where you need them. When you need icons, for example, and other graphic elements, I can recommend using SocialSlides. Let's go back to Canva, and I'll show you a few tricks here as well. So if you want to edit your elements, you can just, again, click in it and just type whatever you need. Make sure that you also align everything correctly. So let's say we type a little more text here, then we want to put it up. Also, if you want to edit the colors, that's also quite easy to do here in Canva. Just click on an element with a certain color, go to color, and then select document color. And let's say we want to make something different here, the blue. tone instead of the purple, and then press on change order, and it will automatically change all the colors which were purple before to blue. As you can see here, the second slide also has now the blue color and all the other slides. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments or shoot us a message. We would love to hear your feedback, and yeah, see you guys soon. Bye bye.